this is going to be
So
soon.
what happened was
You know?
in I worked very closely with the sourcing team. Okay, so in that sourcing team, we processed like almost 1 lakh units of Pop-It toys. Okay, Pop-It toys we have processed like 1 lakh units. That product raised a very huge saturation. I don't know, maybe some TikTok videos went viral or something like that, but the Pop-It toys is very famous for what you are trying to say. Every supplier, every agent had that thing in their catalog back then. And yeah, so basically, if it is in a supplier's catalog, that means the product is in demand and they are in saturation. If a supplier is sending you the catalog, that means that product you can't compete. You have to compete with the prices. That means you have to sell at a lower price because they generally bring products which are in hot selling, hot demand. Okay, so we generally don't look at that market. We generally look at market where it is hard to find the product. Plus, there is good demand. By good demand, we can get 10 sales a day. Okay, there are those kind of market because there are a few lakh products in Amazon, right? And every supplier, every importer cannot list all of them, and they only list those which are in huge demand. Okay, like top seller, best sellers, and every seller, Amazon sellers who face in this business try to launch the best seller products.